Welcome everyone. Today we're going to present the first sprint of the project, Algebraintor, of the subject Software Engineering Fundamentals. In the slide that is being presented, you can see the member of the teams. Without more to say, let's continue. Nowadays, finding exercises on the internet is not an easy thing. First, most of these appear in books or documents that must be paid for, and those that are free are usually not at the level that the student seeks to practice. Algebraintor is an app that aims to provide students with algebra exercises at different levels, through an intuitive application in which users can quickly and easily find all the exercises they want to solve to practice. The primary users of the application will be high school students and students in the first semester of university, who take the subject of algebra since they are the ones who most often consult information of this type. Requirements. Requirements are divided into two types, functional and non-functional. The functional ones are also divided into two, the user requirements and the system requirements. User requirements. The user will be able to register to the application by creating a username and entering their email and password. Upon entering, the user will access a list of topics of the basic and intermediate algebra subjects, and will be able to select one of them. Once the user has selected the topic, the user will be able to choose the level of difficulty, 1, 2, or 3. System requirements. The system will display a list of basic and intermediate algebra topics, as well as the difficulty levels of each exercise. The system will display the various exercises listed. The application will have the exercises and their procedures available without the need to have an internet connection. The non-functional requirements are the following ones. All the exercises will have their respective procedures in algebraic and textual format. The application will only be available for use in Spanish language. The system interface is created with the objective of easy understanding of the user, so that the user does not pose a major difficulty. The application will send messages to the user's email in case of any need of identity confirmation and system error. Support videos can only be played with internet or mobile data. User stories. User stories will help us as developers to make a useful application that meets all the objectives. We can summarize all of user stories in these 3 sentences. Practice more complicated exercises to have better grades. Find free algebra exercises quickly. Have an app where I can find exercises for my students. Methodology. The methodology for the project is Scrum. However, we did not follow it in its entirety due to several factors, such as the context of our team and certain setbacks that arose along the way. The roles were divided as follows. Product owners, who are Frida Pineda Alvarado and Arturo Cadena Mendez, the Scrum Master, who is Ashley Shaden Aguilar Moreno, and the development team, that is Miguel Ángel Reyes Martínez, César Alejandro Huerta Méndez, Osmar Jesús López Delgado, Frida Pineda Alvarado, Ashley Shaden Aguilar Moreno y Arturo Cadena Méndez. Methods and tools. GitHub. A project is an adaptable spreadsheet that integrates with your issues and pull requests on GitHub to help you plan and track your work effectively. You can create and customize multiple views by filtering, sorting, grouping your issues and pull requests, adding custom fields to track metadata specific to your team, and visualize work with configurable charts. Activity monitoring. WhatsApp and Microsoft Teams were used in the communication part because they are the most used by all team members and are easy to use. Both offer the main functions of messaging and calling, with one being used for quick messages and notification and the other platform for larger meetings.